For the past 2 years, Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, have been getting a lot of construction and reconstruction, ranging from road, new buildings, and other construction of tourist destination sites, and even reviving of the old pipe-borne water within the capital city of Anambra State. So today, guys, I want to be giving an in-depth tour of this upcoming tourist destination in the same Awka in Anambra State. Let's go, guys. Welcome to Solution Fun City in Awka, Anambra State. So for some time now, this particular tourist destination has been going on, and I've been passing through this place all this while, but I never knew that it is this massive, and until last week when I said, or earlier this week when I decided to visit this particular location, and what my eyes saw was, was very huge, and I was a very somehow surprised, because I never knew that this particular kind of development is currently going on here, even though I've been watching some of it on on my fellow vloggers on YouTube, but never know that this place is so massive like this, honestly. And when I visited during the during the sunny time. As you can see, sun is shining so heavily, so but I did my best to also capture the ones I could capture for you guys, because the place is so big. So all you are seeing right now is the outside of it. The place is located after the quarter flyover. Once you come down from the quarter flyover, by your by your right hand side, you're gonna see this Solution Fun City. And if you are coming from Unizik Junction, this Solution Fun City is gonna be by your left hand side before you climb the water flyover, and that is where this particular massive development is currently are. So all this you are seeing now is the outside of the Solution Fun City. You can see the signboard over there. This is the signboard showing you clearly that this is the Fun City that everybody has been talking about. What you are seeing down there is the massive entrance. Inside this particular building, you're gonna see a lot of things. You can see the massive canals that has been put in place for collection of heavy flood and the rest. So I can tell you that a lot of construction is currently going on here. So this is me when I finally entered inside the vicinity of this Solution Fun City. What I have been showing you before was the outside. From the outside, you have a very massive view of the water flyover and other places, and this is in the inside. This is what it looks like from the inside. Viewing the entrance from the inside, this is what it looks like. So from the inside, you can find a number of buildings. The first buildings you can find here, I don't know what is being used for until it is finished. So the first building you're gonna see here is by my right hand side as I'm doing this video, which you are seeing there. So that is the first building you are gonna see once you come inside this Solution Fun City. And from there you see the station by your left hand side. I was a little bit pissed off when I noticed that the stadium, which is what it was formerly called, is being demarcated from the Solution Fun City. I think another entrance will be put in place from the other side of it, from the other side of the stadium. While all this side you are watching now will be closed with fence. Even the fence are already under construction. You can see the fence, they are constructing it. They will block the whole place, and they attach another entrance from the front side of the stadium. And when I also enter the stadium, I notice a lot of things which I'll be talking about when I switch over to talk about the stadium. So this place is very, very massive. Once you enter this place, you will think that everything starts and end within this arena. But moving up from this express road, you're gonna see a number of other buildings currently going on, and that is exactly where you're gonna be seeing what is it called, all the gaming equipment, where you can have your phone. Children can come and have their phones. All of them are being built in this particular location where we are currently heading, and a lot of number of buildings are also being put in place over there, which I don't know what they are for until they are completed. So I'm gonna be showing you the installations of the gaming equipment, because they are already installing some of the gaming equipment which you'll be watching in this video. So let's forge ahead and let's continue watching everything as they unfold. So from here, I also went inside the stadium to check out the looks of the stadium, and lo and behold, the stadium is also nice. But the only problem I find out inside the stadium is the seaters for the audience is a little bit small. The only seaters they have here is this row here, so which cannot contain a good number of people. But the stadium is very, very nice, and they are being maintained every time. Though what you are seeing now is not a kind of natural carpet grass. This is just artificial carpet grass. And it happens that the day I also visit this stadium, there were a friendly match going on that fateful day, so that's why you are seeing people playing football match there. So I think where they will be attaching the new entrance after the blockage of the stadium is from that up above, from that side. That is where their new entrance gonna be coming from. So what you are just watching is someone who got injured when they were on this particular friendly match. So I also enjoyed the view and the rest. That's why I videoed them. The place is just nice, honestly, just nice. It's worth visiting. So you can see the only audience chair they have, which is not quite big. I don't think this can carry up to 500 people. So from there I headed down to this site. This is the place you find the gaming equipment, where all the gaming equipment are being installed. So this building, I don't know what they will be using for, but they are still under construction. And one thing I enjoyed about all these things is that the zeal and the fastness they are putting in this work is quite impressive, you understand. So, and I also noticed that I think they also work during the weekend, I think so. So over there is one of the gaming equipment. This one has been installed already, waiting for finishing touching. I think that one is for maybe children rotating around, you understand. So if you watch over there, you also see that a lot of other construction are also going on. Short, a number of buildings are coming up which they have not done yet. So a number of buildings are coming up which I don't know what they'll be using for until they are completed. If this project is completed and not abandoned, it will be a boost to Anambra's economy. And visiting here also changed my wrong narrative about the place. Merely looking at my video, you can see other gaming equipment currently being installed. This one has a kind of should I say 60 or maybe 50% completed, and there's another one over there which is also being installed, and a lot of work is currently going on here, guys. And I think this place is worth visiting if you decided to visit Awka also. And this is where I'm gonna be ending this video, guys. Don't forget to like the video, click on the notification bell to get notified each time we put up a video like this. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Until next time.